Hey guys, welcome to the Rewind podcast. I have two really important people with me as guests today. They are relationship experts. They both have amazing YouTube channels, amazing followings, and I wanted to help get some great information out to my clients about their YouTube channels. It's Alex and Apollonia. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
So I have a question that some of my clients sent to me that I want to just ask you because I told them that I was going to be talking to you. And so question number one, what role does health play in having a successful relationship?
Go ahead.
Okay. I think that health plays a significant role. One, because I think especially when you're in a long-term relationship and you see the person every day, and possibly, especially for women, when you have kids, there's a lot of stress that can happen of everyday life, you know? And beyond the stress, you are still with your partner after all that, right? And so what happens is we don't have a good relationship with how we handle stress. Maybe we turn to food to eat, or we don't monitor and we're not getting back on the wagon. It's okay to fall off the wagon every once in a while, but it's important to stay on track and get back on. But I definitely think it is so important because of the fact that the way that we create desire in relationships and constant desire is by what you see in front of you, besides just how you feel about your partner. You know, and especially for men, because I work just really with men, and I know desire is really created by the essence of a woman, you know, like how beautiful she is, no matter what age she is. You know, it doesn't mean that you have to be this 30-year-old woman that you were before and this perfect body that you had when you were 30, but it's just about how you transition into the new you and feel good about you as a couple. And I think that's really important because health creates desire. And health and mental health, physical health, emotional health, everything. So it goes beyond the physical. It's also emotional. Like when you feel good about yourself, emotionally, you're going to feel healthy. So this is also a positive thing for you and your partner because emotional stability in a relationship is what keeps you ignited and keeps that bond together too.
Such a good point. Amazing answer. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Well, guys, thank you for being on the show. I'm hoping that they will come back and enjoy the view and film again. Yeah. And if you guys don't follow, I'm going to put their links. I'm not good at my videos yet of telling people that I have all of the links in the bottom, but I'm going to put the links to their YouTube channels and to their social media. They give out amazing advice. I think everyone would be served by watching their videos and following them. And thanks, guys, for having been on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.